subscribe and click the bell button. Please like. I have this. Pagpusod po ito. Pili ka pang pusod. Parindo. Sa Christmas party. Nabigay sa yung pusod sa classmate ko. Best friend ko. And pwede ako magpusod. Like that. Pwede ko pusod mami ko. And pwede ko pusod sa buhok ko for change yung style. And subscribe you like what's your favorite color? Pink, this, or this. I have pink and blue. It makes frozen. That's also like blue I like, and I like pink. I like that too. Are you watching the cinema? Watching Frozen. Look at this, guys. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna hold this. People's who can hold this. How people's can hold this. Hi! I have a big eye. And another one. And a happy face. I can do like that. And you can bring this for the school. Yes, you can bring it in the school. Whatever you want to bring. And we can pretend this is a bracelet. It's kind of colorful. Not just boring. Not boring. It's always black or colorful. I'm done.